If someone tells me to wait for you, I would do it only for you. My wait would be tall eternity because I love you from every bite. I did not know how much I love. I knew only when you left. I missed you so much, and I was aware that I am in a state of defeat. Yes, it's love I am so sure. Yes, this is the love for me. Baby, I am so in love with you. Things may still in for sure, and life will also change. One thing you can be sure of is my love for you. Oh dear love, that will be the sum whenever life takes us in life. I am so in love with you. Love that is so prime. Your love has made me realized that being happy is so important. Your presence has just the same effect on me. Your love has the power to change me, and it's only you that I wish to say me. Baby, I love you to the best thing I have done in my life is love you. The best gift I have received in my life is your love, and the best thing that has ever happened to me is you. I love you, and I will forever do. From strangers, we become friends and soulmates. You have always been there from the very beginning. You have me feel loved from the start. You gave your affection and never left me alone through good and bad, because you taught you me how to love. I will do it only to you forever. May Allah bless you, my love. Your presence brings light to my days and comfort to my nights. In every moment we share, I find a deeper connection that enriches my soul. Together we navigate life's challenges, drawing strength from one another. I cherish the bond we have, and I pray it continues to flourish under his guidance. The way you love me has redefined what I thought love could be. It's deeper than I ever imagined, more fulfilling than I ever dreamed. You have become my partner in every sense of the word, in love, in life, in all our shared hopes and dreams. Every day with you feels like a gift. Your smile brightens my memories. Your voice suits my soul, and your love follows my heart. I am honestly in a way of the beautiful person you are inside and out, and I fall in love with you more deeply with each passing day. In you I have found my soulmate, my confidant, and my greatest supporter. Your love gives me the strength to face any challenge and the joy to celebrate every victory. I promise to stand by you always, to love you fiercely, and to cherish the beautiful bond we share.